Hey guys, this is a video review about the package arrived from Minejerseys. It's a Chinese site where you can buy cheap football apparel of clubs and nationals. I ordered 1920 Juventus home soccer shirt player version. Packet is marked Adidas. You can see the high quality of this packet. There is the Juventus tag marked Adidas with the phrase official licensed product. Technology is ClimaChill. Raise your game, keep cool with unmatched ventilation and a super quick drying time. Nothing beats ClimaChill for cooling. Super cool and dry in the hottest weather. ClimaChill resists the most intense heat with ultra breathable moisture wicking fabrics, so you're always super cool and dry. Be unstoppable in the hottest condition. Neck is circular and black. In the neck there are ClimaChill tag, two little Adidas tag, another Adidas tag, my size XL, another ClimaChill tag and made in Thailand. Shirt is half white and half black with a pink line in the middle. Scudetto has the Juventus logo inside. Adidas logo and the Juventus logo are heat press. This is the outside and this is the inside. Sponsor is Jeep and is heat press. There is the tag 1920 authentic and there is the tag ClimaChill. The bottom is undulating. There are short sleeves, one black and one white. On one sleeve there is Serie A patch. On the shoulders there are 3 long lines black and 3 long lines white. Seams are well made. Material is polyester. And there are small squares because this is the player version that is breathable. behind there is the name delete. Number 4 with Juventus logo inside. And the back sponsor, Sai Games. Order because the product is the same as the original one. There is the free shipping that is traced and very fast. Items are cheap and customer service is very good with fast reply. Take one size bigger because items fit slim. If you register with my invitation link, you have $5 off on your next purchase. My invitation link is in description. This is a very good website. I will order again.